Welcome to an exquisite journey of modern living infused with tropical charm. This is not just a house, it's a sanctuary where minimalist design meets the lush beauty of nature. In today's feature, we'll explore every thoughtful detail of this modern tropical small house, showcasing how simplicity and elegance harmonize in perfect balance. This home exemplifies how smart design can maximize functionality and aesthetics in a compact space. From its inviting exterior to its tranquil interiors, every corner radiates warmth and sophistication. Let's step inside and embark on this visual journey of modern minimalist living. The exterior of this modern tropical small house is a stunning showcase of minimalism. Crisp, neutral tones define the facade, while wooden accents and textured walls add depth and warmth. The carefully curated landscaping features lush tropical plants, which not only enhance the aesthetic but also create a natural privacy barrier. The house boasts a seamless connection with its surroundings, with large glass panels reflecting the greenery. The understated yet elegant design invites the eye to focus on its clean geometry, proving that simplicity can be profoundly beautiful. As you approach the entrance, you're greeted by a serene pathway of stepping stones bordered by dense foliage. The front door, crafted from natural wood, sets the tone for the entire house, a blend of earthy elements and modern sophistication. Subtle lighting fixtures guide you in, creating a warm and welcoming ambience as evening falls. This entrance is not merely functional, it's a statement piece that invites you into a world of tranquility and modern elegance. The living room embodies a sense of calm with its airy layout and neutral tones. A comfortable L-shaped sofa sits against a backdrop of floor-to-ceiling glass, offering unobstructed views of the tropical garden outside. The design focuses on clean lines, with minimal yet functional furniture pieces that enhance the room's spacious feel. Natural light floods the space during the day, while warm accent lighting creates a cozy ambience at night. The room effortlessly combines style and comfort, making it an inviting place to relax or entertain guests. Throughout the house, the interior design emphasizes a seamless blend of textures. Polished concrete floors provide a modern base, while wooden elements and indoor greenery add a touch of warmth. The minimalist decor ensures that the natural surroundings remain the star of the show. Decorative pieces are kept to a minimum, with subtle tropical influences reflected in the artwork and textiles. This restrained approach creates a serene environment where less truly feels like more. The kitchen is a masterpiece of efficiency and elegance. Sleek, handleless cabinets and soft tones blend effortlessly into the walls, making the space appear larger. A central island doubles as a prep station and casual dining area, embodying the house's commitment to multifunctional design. Open shelving displays earthy ceramics and glassware, adding a personal touch without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. The kitchen's thoughtful layout ensures that every square inch is utilized, proving that small spaces can still inspire culinary creativity. The dining room is a seamless extension of the kitchen, featuring a simple wooden table and comfortable chairs. Positioned next to large windows, this space allows diners to feel connected to the outdoors, even while inside. Above the table, a pendant light adds a sculptural element to the room, enhancing its modern aesthetic. This dining area is a perfect example of how simplicity can elevate everyday moments into luxurious experiences. Step outside to discover an outdoor oasis designed for relaxation. The patio, paved with natural stone, is furnished with comfortable loungers and low-profile furniture that complements the minimalist theme. Surrounding the space are vibrant tropical plants that create a private retreat. A small water feature adds a calming soundtrack, making this outdoor area a perfect spot for unwinding or hosting intimate gatherings. The design blurs the line between indoors and outdoors, allowing nature to become an integral part of the home. The bedroom is a sanctuary of tranquility, designed to promote rest and relaxation. A low-profile bed with crisp white linens is the centerpiece, flanked by simple wooden side tables. Large windows frame the lush greenery outside, creating a serene connection to nature. Soft curtains and layered textiles add warmth, while built-in storage ensures the room remains clutter-free. The design prioritizes functionality and comfort, proving that even the smallest details can enhance the overall experience. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat with a minimalist design that emphasizes natural materials. Polished stone surfaces and wooden accents create a harmonious balance, while subtle lighting enhances the soothing ambience. A walk-in shower with glass partitions maintains the room's open feel, and carefully selected fixtures add a touch of modern luxury. Every detail in this space is thoughtfully curated to offer both functionality and elegance. The outdoor dining area is an extension of the home's tropical charm. A simple wooden table sits beneath a pergola draped with climbing plants, creating a shaded spot for enjoying meals. The surrounding greenery adds to the intimate and relaxed atmosphere. Soft lighting, in the form of string lights or lanterns, transforms this space into a magical setting for evening gatherings. This area captures the essence of tropical living, effortlessly blending comfort, nature, and style. As we conclude our journey through this modern tropical small house, it's clear that every detail has been designed with intention and care. This home is a testament to the beauty of minimalist living, where simplicity, functionality, and nature come together in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope you found inspiration in this serene and stylish retreat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating home design content. Until next time, embrace the beauty of living simply yet meaningfully.